Thank you for visiting my page, and for those who do not know me, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is David Owasi. I was originally born in Nigeria, but I live and work in Canada. I'm a Canadian now. I moved to Canada with my family a number of years ago now, and I love and enjoy being Canadian. Now, I started my first business when I was 19 while I was in the university, and I was studying computer science and business, and I really enjoyed running a business because it exposed me and introduced me to the real world, really helped me to understand my strengths, my skills, and really helped me to grow and develop personally. And since then I've been running businesses. My first business, I did over $500,000 in revenue, and it was truly an amazing experience. Now I have transitioned my career. Now I'm a business coach. I primarily work and help businesses to help them grow, and I truly enjoy. I think I have a lot of passion helping entrepreneurs because I really love the entrepreneurship world, and I love helping people grow their businesses. One of the reasons why I really transitioned into being a business coach was due to some of the struggles that I experienced when I ran my own business. I'm a very passionate guy, as you can clearly tell, and I had a lot of strong emotions, and a lot of times these emotions were very good things for me. Like, they drove me to perform, they drove me to push myself, and they drove me to accomplish all the great things I accomplished. But on the other side of that as well, sometimes my emotions were responsible for me sabotaging myself, and they were sometimes getting in the way of my personal success and getting in the way of my business growth. And through a lot of mentorship, through a lot of coaching, through a lot of learning and just self-work over the years, I was able to really grow and strengthen my skills in emotional mastery. And being able to strengthen and understand how emotions play and affect me and affect my performance and affect how I see the world, what I think, what I do, and what I say was really a strong turning point in my career. And that is why today my area of focus and my niche is I work with millennial entrepreneurs, and I help them in mastering their emotions, particularly in the areas of awareness, in the areas of control, and in the areas of engagement. How do you become aware of your emotions? How do you control them? How do you manage them? And how do you transfer that into real life performance to hit your goals? And that is my area of focus and expertise. And I truly enjoy and I love working with entrepreneurs and helping them reach the best version of themselves through emotional mastery. And once people are able to accomplish emotional mastery, it really transcends even beyond their business. It affects their personal life, their relationships with their family, with friends, and really helps them live a very full life with clarity, with purpose, and with direction. So I wanted to introduce myself. That's what I do, and thank you for visiting my page. And of course, you'll be seeing a lot of videos from me in the coming weeks, and I look forward to sharing a lot of the information with you that I know, things that have worked for me, and things that can help you in your own business and in your own entrepreneurship journey. Like this video, leave a comment for me, introduce yourself. I'd love to get to know you as well, and I'd love to keep talking with you.